The 2017 Mazda 3's MZD Connect infotainment system has several common problems that many owners experience, even years after production. These issues include frozen screens, complete audio failure, system crashes, and unresponsive controls. The system runs on Linux and is particularly prone to software glitches. Before seeking complex repairs, there are two simple troubleshooting steps you can try that often resolve these temporary software glitches. The first method is a soft reset. Hold the power and volume knob for 10 or more seconds until the system completely shuts down, then restart your vehicle. If the soft reset doesn't work, you can try a hard reset, which involves disconnecting the vehicle's battery. For a hard reset, turn off your vehicle completely, disconnect the battery for 15 to 20 minutes, then reconnect it and start the vehicle. Note that this may require re-entering your radio code. These initial troubleshooting steps can often resolve temporary software glitches and restore your infotainment system to normal operation without requiring further intervention. When basic resets fail to resolve your infotainment issues, it's time to explore more advanced solutions. The first step is attempting a factory reset through your system settings menu. If the factory reset doesn't resolve the issue, you can manually update the software using a USB drive. This requires downloading the latest firmware from Mazda's website and properly formatting your USB drive. Prevention is key to avoiding future infotainment problems. Regular maintenance and proper usage habits can significantly reduce the likelihood of system failures. When factory solutions aren't sufficient, aftermarket options provide reliable alternatives. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay retrofit kits have become increasingly popular, offering modern functionality and improved reliability. These advanced solutions and prevention strategies can help resolve persistent infotainment issues and prevent future problems. Whether through software updates, proper maintenance, or aftermarket upgrades, there are reliable paths to restore your system's functionality.